In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record using the Loom Chrome extension. This powerful tool makes it easy to capture videos directly from your browser, perfect for tutorials, demos, or even personal messages. Let's dive right into the process, starting with getting Loom set up on your Chrome browser. First, you need to install the Loom extension. Head over to the Chrome Web Store and search for Loom. Once you find it, click Add to Chrome, and the extension will be installed in just a few moments. You'll notice a small Loom icon appearing at the top right corner of your Chrome browser. Give it a click, and you'll be prompted to sign in. You can use your existing account, or, if you're new to Loom, a quick sign-up process will have you set up in no time. Now, with the extension installed and you being logged in, let's open the recording menu. Click on the Loom icon again, and you'll see the recording controls pop up, ready to use. This is where you get to choose your recording mode. Loom offers 3 versatile options, depending on what you need to capture. The first is Screen plus Cam, which records both your screen and your camera. This mode is ideal for presentations where you want your audience to see your screen along with your reactions or explanations. Next, there's the Screen-only mode, capturing just your screen, perfect if you prefer to stay behind the scenes. Lastly, Cam Only records just your camera feed, which is great for vlogs or personal messages. After choosing your recording mode, it's time to decide what exactly you want to capture. You can record the full screen for a comprehensive view, or you might prefer just a specific window or the current tab. Opting for the current tab is particularly handy when you want to capture audio playing internally within that tab. Remember, selecting the correct microphone source is crucial, so make sure to pick the right one based on your setup or simply mute it if you prefer silent recordings. You're all set to start recording. Hit the Start Recording button, and you'll see a short countdown, allowing you a brief moment to prepare. Once the recording begins, take note of the control options that appear on your screen. These include pause, restart, and stop, though availability might depend on your Loom plan. If you're using Screen plus Cam or Cam Only, a small camera bubble may also appear, which serves as a helpful visual cue for your viewers. When you're finished recording, simply click Stop, or the green checkmark to wrap things up. Loom will take it from there, automatically uploading your video and copying a sharing link directly to your clipboard for easy distribution. In the browser window that opens, you'll find options to rename your video, trim footage, adjust privacy settings, or share it with others. And there you have it, a streamlined process for recording with the Loom Chrome extension. With these steps, you're ready to create and share polished professional videos effortlessly.